Akulaleki, angilalanga ebusuku. Lento ifika kumina like a vision. Ngiyaboniswa. Yo. Sanibonani. Ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. This is part 2. This is part 2. Yo. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emuva sikhuluma ngama Freemason. You remember ku part 1 ukuthi I said once upon a time bekunama founding fathers and they went in search of igrimoire ya Imhotep ngoba befuna ukusamana, befuna ukubiza uNkulunkulu wabo benze naye ideal. Once the deal was done, bona they made a promise. They said an oath to uNkulunkulu wabo. By the ring and by the flame, I give my soul, I give my name. I see no evil, for I am its sight. I hear no evil, for I walk with the night. I speak no evil, for the truth is forbidden. What is known shall stay forever hidden. I turn from the lights of the living and pure. I walk the path the damned endure. The horned one calls, and I obey. My freedom bought, my peace decayed. Wealth for my blood, silence for my tongue, my shadow eternal, my flesh undone. Master of freedom, keeper of sin, by this ring I let you in. Understand mntomnyama ukuthi from that day onwards ama founding fathers gained power, they gained wealth. Understand ukuthi generation upon generation of ingane zabo have been living and benefiting from leyo deal abayenza no Imhotep ama founding fathers. They also went on to create the organization isonto and called themselves ama Freemason, and whoever finds themselves under the umbrella ya sonto benefits from the contracts eyenziwa no Imhotep. Understand ukuthi awuvele uye lapha uthi ufuna ukube imember. It's either wazi umuntu ongaphakathi noma you are referred. Understand ukuthi lapha yana you cannot knock at the door and hope ukuthi uzofakwa. You have to be chosen. Understand ukuthi if you want to be someone oyi-influence, if you want to be someone one-power la emhlabeni, you have to be known esontweni lama Freemason. And this is ukurecognize kanjani ngokugqoka iringi. The former leader of the Democratic Alliance, Mr. Maimane, understand ukuthi once you wear le ring, it means unempower.